Hey everyone, my name is Zach and I'm here to teach you how to use your brand new MVP kit. The MVP comes with 2 bottles of cleaner and conditioner, the Touch Up White, and of course the water and stain repellent. I'm gonna show you how to use all of these today, so let's get into it. So let's get started with the cleaner and conditioner. Our cleaner is specially formulated to work on all types of materials. It works on suede, canvas, leather, cloth, mesh, you name it, and we can clean it. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Begin by brushing any excess dirt off the shoe with the bristle brush. Next, you want to wet the brush in our clean water and add a few drops of cleaner and conditioner. Step 3. Begin scrubbing with the lower part of the shoe and work your way up as you go. Step 4. Continue this process over the entire shoe, including the laces. Scrub the entire area thoroughly and evenly. If your laces are extra dirty, just throw them into a small bowl of water and solution to lift out the stains. Step 5. Wipe away the excess solution and dry with a clean cloth or microfiber towel. Now we have the Touch Up White, which is an absolute must for anyone who has white shoes. It utilizes a special blends of agents that enrich and brighten dingy threading and yellowing midsoles. Simply tap the applicator sponge onto a clean surface to bring up the solution and carefully apply to any white material. If you do end up getting some on a colored surface, simply wipe it away with a clean cloth or use the cleaner and conditioner to remove it. Alright, now on to the water and stain repellent. The water and stain repellent utilizes a nanotechnology that creates a waterproof barrier on all of your shoes, but it's still clean and lets the material breathe nicely. We recommend putting this on all of your shoes before you wear them for the first time and letting it settle for 24 hours. This will keep the weather away and keep your shoes clean. All you need to do with this is apply a nice even coat to the entire shoe and let it dry for 24 hours. This is going to create a perfect weatherproof barrier for your shoes. So just to provide an example of the power of our water and stain repellent, I went ahead and treated this shoe and this hat last night just to provide an example of what it can do. And as you can see, the water just beads right off the shoe, completely dry. And for this hat, just runs right off. Well, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you guys now know how to keep your shoes clean with Shoe MGK. Please follow us on social media, leave us a review on Amazon to let us know how we're doing. And as always, respect your shoes.